Hi, my name is Joey Pinero Denise, and I'm the Community Liaison at Ideal Institute of Technology. I've worked at a lot of jobs. I've worked at Walmart, Home Depot, TRICARE, which is medical transportation. And I met Ren and Rod at Walmart when I was a customer service manager, and they were ordering a lot of TVs for the VR lab that they were putting up in the mall at the time. And they needed assistance, and we were really busy. All my employees at the time, my cashiers and floor employees, were all busy. So I worked it out with the other managers where I could take care of Ren and Rod. I went in the back, grabbed the pallet jack, brought both pallets up, made sure they weren't damaged, took care of the order. And then they came back again, I think a few months later, and we did the same thing. And Ren gave me his card, and Rod also gave me his card. And I always kept them in mind. So then I came by, made an appointment, met Kathy at the time. She was the front desk associate. And then she helped me meet Ren again and Rod. And then we just sat down, had a conversation. Rod told me his backstory, Ren told me his backstory, I told him mine. And we just connected. We just formed a really strong bond. What really gravitated me to Ideal was them. I didn't know anything about the school, but I know that any business, any company, it's people. Regardless of what anybody else wants to say, it's run by people. You got to take care of the people first. So it's just, it's a small world, even though it's a big world. And so, if you treat everyone the way you'd like to be treated, and you treat them even the way that, they should be treated, right? It just comes back to you, no matter what.